Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my page. Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, very good evening to you all. You are welcome to our page. You are welcome to our channel. Ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán. Níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. This is 5 minutes again with Tunes. This is 5 minutes health benefit with Tunes. This is what I have for us today, like you have all seen. This is I've got 5 items here that are natural recipe tí a lè máa lò fún ikọ́ fún àwọn tó bá ní asthma àti láti lè clear lungs wa àti láti lè get rid of ẹwọn pé tá bá ń wúkọ́ àwọn bí kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ máa jáde ńbẹ̀. So these are the things, these are just the simple 5 things that you can use to get rid of them. So this is 5 minutes health benefit with Tunes, like I said earlier on. Join me and let's go there. Ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán. Once again, you are welcome to our channel. And these are just what I've got for us, just for 5 minutes. You know, we've got to mú wá, àkàn tó máa wà. Come on, sorry, share for 5 minutes, but order that fún ara gan ni. This is homemade remedy that boosts your immune system and cleans your lungs. Ó tún dá gan fún àwọn tó bá ní asthma. Ó tún dá gan láti lè fight antibacteria in the body. You understand? And in the lungs. And it helps you to, it relieves you from dry cough. Ó tún dá fún wa láti get rid of dry cough. Ó tún dá to get rid of cold. It's even good to strengthen our immune system, most especially to those that have got asthma. This is very good for them. And like I've always said earlier on, that is these are the things that are naturally done or they are natural to use. And it doesn't mean that you will still be using your drugs, you will still be consulting your GP or your doctors, but these are very good for an additional to anything that is wrong in our system. So you understand what I mean? So this is an additional. Ó dàbí tí a bá ní malaria, tá bá lọ lo malaria drugs. Ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn ẹlòmíì, they still believe in àgbo, so they still go to eléwé ọmọ láti lọ ṣe àgbo, and they are still using it together with their malaria drugs. So this is just it. Don't stop your drugs, like I've always said. Don't stop your drugs. Always go to your GP or go to your doctors, and you can Google it. What are the benefits of what we are teaching you, and what are they for? You know, to cut the long story short, nǹkan tí mo ní fún alálẹ̀ yìí ni wípé these are 5 remedies and home remedy that you can use to prevent or to cure your asthma. You can cure your phlegming, that's phlegm tó bá wà ní phlegming tó wà nínú ikọ́, àwọn tá bá ń wúkọ́ kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ á máa jáde. Then ó tún máa treat, get rid of your cold, and it's going to get rid of your cough as well. It's good for it treats asthma, it treats your antibacterial in your system, and it has a very great benefit for the body. So kí ni mo ní bí báyìí? Mo ní red onion. You can see this is a red onion. I've got a red onion here. You can see it. And I've got my lime. I've got my lime here. This is the lime you are going to use. So mo pé mo máa ń sọ ńgbà míì pé optional ni tẹ́ bá ní lemon, tẹ́ bá ní lime, but these are the nǹkan tẹ́ máa lò. You are going to use this lime, not lemon. Lime. It's not optional. So àti garlic, you know. Ẹ máa lo garlic, you know. Gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ pé ṣé mọ̀ pé garlic ó máa ń fight bacteria fúnra rẹ̀. Ó máa ń fight bacteria. It's very good for cold. Ó máa ń fight bacteria, ó máa ń fight cold. You know, it's very good for the system. Ó tún máa ń fight àwa tó bá ní àwọn tó bá ní high blood pressure báyẹn ó máa reduce it to bring it down, to bring it very low. So this is very good when you take it early in the morning with just water. You just be good. Ó máa tún jẹ́ kẹ́ lọ sí toilet, ó máa jẹ́ kára yín fúyẹ́. This is very, very good. That's garlic. Then I have clove here. You can use it with clove. This is optional. This is clove. Lílọ̀ lélẹ̀. Clove lélẹ̀. Lílọ̀ ni. Tí Yorùbá máa ń pè ní kànáfùrù. But lílọ̀ lélẹ̀. This is an organic clove that you can use as well for cold, cough, and to fight bacteria in our system. Then I've got the black pepper as well. I've got the black pepper. Then mo pé eléyìí gan fúnra rẹ̀ náà a máa ń lò fún pepper soup. So ó dá tẹ́ bá ní cold so that you can sneeze it out, so that ooru máa mú yín wá, you know, and everything is good for the body, and it boosts your immune system as well. So what I will be doing now is I've already done the red onion, just not to waste our time. You see, mo ti blend the red onion here, mo ti blend it in order not to waste our time. So what I will be doing now is to be cutting the garlic. I will be cutting it into pieces. It strengthens the body as well. It strengthens your immune system as well. You know, it boosts your immune system. It strengthens your system. It boosts your immune system. Immunity, sorry. Yeah. It boosts your immunity. So against cold and cough. You are prone to cold all the time if you are taking this, which especially when you see àgbàlagbà bá wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ yín tí wọ́n bá wá abroad, most especially nínú òtútù, ṣóyè yín gbogbo àwọn natural things yìí ni kẹ́ máa fún wọn, or they can't be doing it by themselves. Pé tá bá fi wọ́n lẹ̀ sílé tó yá lọ síbi iṣẹ́. So you just tune to my page, tune to my channel, and let them do it by themselves. Just get them nǹkan tí wọ́n need. Get them the necessary things which you can get from your fruit market or from the shop, so that they can have it done by themselves. It depends on mélòó tẹ́ bá ń lò. I love to use garlic, like I said, and I love my ginger. So I love it, I love it, I love it. It depends on bẹ́ bá ṣe bóyá nǹkan mélòó tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lò. Bóyá a big cup lẹ fẹ́ lò ni, bóyá small cup lẹ fẹ́ lò ni. So ni ẹ ṣe máa mọ̀ nǹkan mélòó tẹ́ máa lè lò. But this is just for a cup. This is just for a small cup, you know. So ìyẹn ni mo ṣe lò ní díẹ̀ báyìí. So what I will be doing now is I will be chopping them. Now see that I'm going to cut them into pieces. You see that I will be cutting them into pieces. Especially tabala ugbole, tabani àwọn grandma and grandpa that comes all the way from Nigeria to come and pay us a visit. These are the things tí wọ́n bá wá nígbà winter. These are the things tí wọ́n need, tí wọ́n máa mú lóòrèkóòrè. You should be taking this all the time, you know. Not all the time you will be giving them antibiotics. Lẹ́yìn náà ó máa ń fight fún gbogbo antibacteria ara. Ó dá fún lungs, ó máa strengthen immune system wọn. tí wọ́n bá ń wúkọ́, get rid of dry cough. Just this natural thing, and it's very good to boost your immune system. Like my page, share my page for others to learn from all this natural recipe tí ó dá fún ara. Wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ìgbà la máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ GP, la máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ Medoc, ṣóyè yín. So these are the things that we can do within 5 minutes that they get anyway. So did you all see that? So mo ti cut everything into pieces. So what I will be doing now is that I will be putting them in a small pot. I will be boiling them for like 5 to 10 minutes. And mama boil it from 5 to 10 minutes. Did you see that? Did you see that? So, mama feel me see, listen. So, the bá ti jẹ tán báyẹn, mama feel me see. Did you see that? Ká ní èèyàn kan ló fẹ́ mú àti go. Ṣé bá máa ẹ lè mú lẹ́ẹ̀mejì àbí ẹ̀mẹ́ta lóòjọ́. Depending on bí ikọ́ yẹn ṣe le tó. You understand? So near the mama. Only a little onion. You can use 2 onions. You can use as much as possible. Garlic. So it all depends. So but because I'm just the only one that wanna drink this, so me and if you and I boss up on the molo, me and if you only purpose. So that's it. Did you all see that? So nínú bíbá yìí mo ní garlic tí mo ti dice. Then I've got my red onion in here. I will be boiling it now for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's ready. It's ready now. This is it. It's ready. Listen, this is it. That's 5 to 10 minutes. This is it. This is it. There's no way you are going to consume this. You see, they should have more winter. See, it's not going to get rid of your cold and it's not going to get rid of your cough. Did you see? Did you see how it is now? That is 10 to 5 to 10 minutes. To boil it. Shall we? This is it. So I will So kí n tó strain it out nísìn. This is when I will be adding this. Did you see that? This is black pepper. It's just a little. So it depends. If I like ata, it depends if you ma fi sí. If you like, if I like it, you ma fi much. But yeah, if you don't like it, it's just a little. You ma fi sí. Did you see that? Ata yẹn ó fíyàn nínú. So ata yẹn ó fíyàn. That's black pepper. So eléyìí náà, this is clove. This is clove. So I'm a fi sí. Ẹ rántí pé mo ṣe fídíò lórí clove pé gbogbo nìṣe ní clove. This is clove. This is very good. Kẹ́ mú eléyìí lásán bẹ́ẹ̀ náà pẹ̀lú lemon. Like this. Just this and this is very good. When you take this, gbogbo nìṣe ní tíì ni ó wà fún lọ́tọ̀. Èyí tí ó dry one ní kẹ́ béèrè fún. You know, the kànáfùrù lélẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá fún èso sínú ẹ̀ báyìí. It's very, very good. Eléyìí lásán. Just this two is very good. During winter period. Very, very good. Now, that is it. Very good, baby. Only powdered one, lily. This is what we call kànáfùrù. Kànáfùrù, lily. Can you understand? Only gear, lily. Only gear, lily. So oríṣi méjì ẹ̀ ni mo ní sílé. Can you understand? Oríṣi méjì ẹ̀ ni mo ní sílé. This is the powdered one that you can take straight away. Kẹ́ fi ṣe tea. This is it. They must soak sílẹ̀. Onígi ẹ̀dílé. They must soak sílẹ̀ for like 2-3 days. See mo fi wọ́n wá lọ́jọ́ sí. Go and check my previous video and see what I've done with this. So that's it. Ìwọ̀nba. Did you see that? Ìwọ̀nba lẹ máa fi sí. This is very good. So straight all that full lungs to boost our immune system, to strengthen our lungs, to get rid of dry cold, dry cough. Tẹ́ bá ń wúkọ́ gan àti tẹ́ bá ń wúkọ́ tó jẹ́ pé ó ń fa kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀. This is very good for it. And I'm going to be straining this, cutting this inside it. I need just half of it. So that's it. Putting the half of it. Did you see that? And fún ààfin sínú ẹ̀ ààfin láàyè yẹn mo ti fún sínú ẹ̀ sí. You see, it's very hot. So I will be mixing that together. Very bó ṣe gbóná dáadáa. You will leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Babe, give me more so earlier on. It's gonna get rid of dry cough. It will boost your immune system, and see, this is it. So I will be keeping the remaining ones for tomorrow. You can see that I'm gonna be keeping the remaining ones for tomorrow. This is all you need. Or mo lè mú lọ́la mo dẹ̀ lè mú ní, you know, you will be having that like 2 or 3 times a day. You should be having this like 2 or 3 times a day. You see that? Very, very good. Over strengthening. It's going to fight antibacterial in your system. Going to fight all the antibacterial in your system. It's good for an asthma patient. So you understand? It's very good. It's going to get rid of your cold and your cough, your dry cough. And it's very good for the body. It will strengthen you up. And if you lime, you see, everybody knows that vitamin C, lime is very good for this. Very good. Vitamin C, lime, one is very good. It strengthens your immune system and boosts your immunity as well. You see? Then the last but not the least is I'm going to be adding this honey. And you see that because it's an organic honey. So everybody should have this honey at home. You know, so this is almost gone. This is gone. I just put it already. This is almost gone. You see, you should have honey at home. This is another one. This is another honey just bought as well. Honey, if you see an organic honey, very, very good for the body. So, I might physical point you know. So I'm just going to take it like that. But about the optional, if you like want to take something sweet, if you love taking sweet things. So all depends. The word will have yes. And you just go support you so that it's not going to affect the system as well. Then normally no, only man soft in the corner. So I will have you. Did you see that? Just a spoon. I think it's too much because I've had enough today. So tell you yes in breakfast. See that? This is very, very good. This is very, very good. It's an homemade recipe to boost your immune system, to build your immune system. What do I have in here? Money red onion, nibi by. Money garlic, nibi by. Shall you understand? Mo de fi organic honey, see. Mo fi black pepper, see. With the cloves, see. You understand? With cloves, see. Then with lime, see. No. So these are the home remedy that you can do within 5 minutes to get rid of that very dry cough that you've got, and it strengthens your immune system. It strengthens your immune system and get rid of very hard cough. Ó tún dá fáwọn tó ní asthma náà. Ó tún dá fún antibacterial as well. It gets rid of it treats antibacterial as well, and it has a great benefit of vitamin C as well. So this it's not all the time you take antibiotics. It's not all the time you call the GP. It's not all the time. But if you have been given a drug, MRO, because there's the reason for giving you a drug. But eléyìí ó kàn máa to máa suppress ẹni, you know, ó tún máa help ẹ, ó máa help yín láti lè boost immune system yín, ó tún máa help ẹ náà láti lè tètè get rid of it. You know what I mean? So this is it, and thank you for coming to my page, and thank you for coming to 5 minutes health benefits with Toons. Thanks for coming. Please keep on sharing, keep on coming, and like my page for others to benefit from it. At this point in time, I think I will be signing up. Thank you, and thank you. Thanks for coming. Cheers, bye.